Did you have ever heard sounds like this? Or sounds like this? We don't gonna waste time, we start immediately with some super nice sounds. In this first video you will see a Porsche. Oh, this sound you will love. For the next car sound, we need to ask you to leave a comment. Watch it.
Which sounds better? Before. After.
Okay, the next sound is one of the best of this video, I think. You really get a cargasm. Listen. Okay, do you need to recover or can we continue? You know, some sleepers are really crazy. Watch it. Yes guys, this was it for today's car sounds. Do you have nice ideas? Drop them in the comments and please subscribe to our channel. That would really help us a lot. Thanks for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.